Hi everyone, I'm going to go over a little bit of 4a and plugging in x values for my equation. So first one was done for you. I plugged in -1 for my x. So it was -1 squared minus 4 times -1 plus 4. So I have the coordinate of -1, 9. So I'm going to go -1 and then up to 9. So that right there is that coordinate. So the second one I'm going to do 0. So I plug in 0 to my x. So I have 0 squared and then minus 4 times 0 plus 4. So you can plug that in on your calculator. 0 squared, 0, minus 0, and then plus 4 is 4. So my other coordinate would be 0, 4. So I'm going to go 0 and then up to 4 right there.